All right, Gambling fans, we got 34 minor spins with at least 2 wild stacks on each spin. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Wolf run Eclipse. Come on, wild. Come on. Free trigger. Oh, look at that. Gotta love that. Come on, Wild. Left side. There we go. Oh, nice. Another 10 bucks. Oh, wow.
So far.
There you go. How about howling it out again? Oh, nice. Want it up?
It's 133 bucks and halfway through, so not too bad.
I'm coming. Shabby. Keep it coming. Come on. Howl it out, baby. Oh, keep the wild left side. Left side, come on.
Come on, kick those wilds to the left.
Too many dead spins. Wow. There we go.
A little bit. Oh, nice. There we go.
10 spins left. Come on, left side. Left side.
Maybe a couple extra spins?
Free trigger would be nice. Spins left. It's all great. Come on. Oh, come on. Howl it out. One more time. Oh, last spin. Make it a big one. Hey, not bad. $230.45. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, friends. Thanks for watching. Gotta live lucky.